Welcome to this platform. Then here we are going to solve this problem about matrix. Verify whether the matrix below is singular, then find the inverse if it is possible. Now, we say that matrix is singular when determinant A is equal to 0. Okay? Now, here we have to give the signs to the elements of this matrix firstly. We start from addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, then addition. Now here we can start from any elements we have, any position, if it is row or any column but let us take this row of the 3, 4 and the -1. Okay, by starting we have 3 with positive, we can start with a 3, then times we have to remove this row and this column. Okay, to stay with a 0, 7, -3 and -2. Then you have minus a 4 and times remove this column with this row to stay with 2, 1 and 7, -2. Okay, then here we have a positive. Okay, then positive times negative. Okay, now times we take this and minus this column to stay with a 2, 0, 1 and -3 and should be equals to a 0. Okay, now this will be equal to 3. We have to multiply this diagonal matrix. This will be a 0, then minus -21. Okay, then minus a 4 times 2 times -2 equals to -4. Okay, then 1 times 7 equals, here take minus a 7. Okay, now here plus times negative equals to negative, and you have a 2 times 3, that is -6, and 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0, and equals to 0. Now here we shall have 3, then negative and negative shall get 21 minus a 4 times this is equal to -11 and minus this one negative, sorry, that here we have a -1. Here I have a -1. -1 and -1 we shall get plus a 1, so that here we have -1. Okay, that is a -1. Okay, but negative times negative equals a 6, that is equals to a 0. 3 times 21, that is 63, then plus this is equal to 44. Okay, then plus a 6 equals to a 0. Then this one we shall get a 7 plus this is a 7, 1, 11, 17, sorry, that is 7 and 10 plus a 6 equals to a 0. Okay, and here we have 113 is it does not equals to a 0. Okay, now since determinant of A is not equals to a 0, then this determinant of A, or thus A is non-singular matrix. We shall stop here. We are no longer to find inverse of this matrix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.